Oh Lord.
Yeah. I have a couple questions for you. I had turned off the main line.
Okay.
Because I had opened up all made sure like the hot water,
Uh-huh.
turned off the one up here.
Right.
But it was running, so I was
Right.
like, let me turn off the main line.
Right, it stopped?
It finally stopped. But if I turn it back on, this leaks again.
Yeah, you probably want to keep it off because it's got like mixing valves in the place, like the shower house, so the water mixes through any mixing.
Oh, okay, so that's not something else wrong.
No, it's like your kitchen faucet has one handle, and it might be in the middle, so it's letting water back
through. Okay. So I have it off now. And I have this off, the switch downstairs is off.
Okay, great.
And I turn this off. I'm very glad.
Yeah, it's clear. Look how dirty that was, man. Remember, that was clear before. Yeah.
Hosting a 90s night for the Marlins versus Tampa Bay. We're gonna have